Race number 6, top of the stretch, has RS Merlin, Elm Grove Joker, FGL Fantastic, Royal Wedding, MM Lass, XLB Chili, Just Feels Right, and Dreams Matter. They're off and pacing. Elm Grove Joker away quickly, looking for the lead on the outside. FGL Fantastic second at the rail. That's RS Merlin to come away in 3. Then far outside and into 4. That's Dreams Matter. They continue on by the 8th into the backstretch, battling for the lead up front. Elm Grove Joker on the outside is FGL Fantastic. Dreams Matter has found room at the rail in 3. Then back there in 4, that's RS Merlin. Racing wide 5th is Just Feels Right. Inside and pacing in 6 as they make their way past the opening quarter is Royal Wedding. Then back in 7, XLB Chili. And at the back of the field, that's MM Lass. 28-3 was the opening quarter. Out front, Elm Grove Joker leads the way by a length and a quarter. FGL Fantastic sits in the garden spot. Dreams Matter pacing along the rail 3rd. Then RS Merlin holds down 4 with Just Feels Right pacing in 5. They continue on past the halfway marker. No change in the front end. Elm Grove Joker still there. Out first over now comes Dreams Matter second. FGL Fantastic sits the pocket 3rd. Out second over in 4. That's RS Merlin. 3rd over racing in 5, Royal Wedding. Inside saving ground in 6, Just Feels Right. Then XLB Chili and MM Lass trails and moves to the outside. 59-4 was the half. They're on their way to 3/4. Dreams Matter on the outside. Trying to overtake Elm Grove Joker as they race on to 3/4. In behind them 3rd is FGL Fantastic. Outside RS Merlin 4th. 3 high in 5 is Royal Wedding. They arrive at 3/4 and Dreams Matter is taken over. RS Merlin outside is now second. Elm Grove Joker at the rail 3rd. Royal Wedding into contention, pacing in 4. 5th on the inside is FGL Fantastic. Then Just Feels Right has 6, followed by MM Lass and XLB Chili. 129-3, 3/4. Dreams Matter leads them off the top turn, has it by 2.5. Outside second is RS Merlin. Royal Wedding is pacing 3rd on down the stretch. It's Dreams Matter. RS Merlin. Dreams Matter will win it. Second is RS Merlin, and finishing 3rd is Royal Wedding.